Yes. This one na another matter. This one na my community. Even if I dey London, I go dey come back home once in a while. Come dey see how e dey happen. I no dey too dey, chance no dey dey. But this one na my community. See Orere Primary School, e don reach how many years now? Before gubernatorial election, now I talk about this thing. This thing join wetin make me no work for Obaseki. You understand? Because na my community be this. I made my point clear. I have been fighting for this even before election. Attend to this school, attend to this school, attend to this school. Lie, they say they no go attend to the school. Now the school still be this. The people where they campaign for around that time, some yeye people, where they attack me for Facebook, my own community people say because of politics, because of party, I'm of the APC, because of that. I know people I praise. I voted Atiku Abi APC. I know they hide them. I know nobody they feed me. You understand? You understand, Abi? Now, I come talk say make they do this thing. Make they do this thing. Before election, nothing was done. The thing come the worst. Before now only that side, now it spoil. Now only this three side, this two blocks, now it spoil. Now, see headmistress office. For inside this head block, see here, now the headmistress office be this. Now it padlock still there, so headmistress office. Now it padlock there, so now here be this. As I speak now, I am building seats for the school. Because nobody dey answer put. Now me they gather money from people, they beg people up and down, turn to beggar. They build seats for them. Wetin government suppose they do? They go say they get one thing where everything na stages. Stages una head. Stages una head. Stages una head 3 times. Because if una want chop, una no dey get stages. If una want import motor, official cars, una no dey get stages. Children, future leaders of tomorrow, una dey get stages for their matter. Una dey get period for their matter. Una dey get time for their matter. Wey una take attend to them. Children no get sit down. Una dey get time. Una. There are matters you don't push aside. There are urgent issues where you supposed to attend to immediately. But this one, they say they get stages. If they want to import SUVs, they know they get stages. If they want to give a budget to National Assembly, State Assembly, local government chairman, they know they get stages. But if you reach real matter, they go get stages. Come, you see that block where they down there, my brother. That block, now only 3 classroom blocks with that. Now only that 3 classroom block is a whole full-fledged school, Orere Primary School. I have begged them down somebody work on this. See this other block where they be manage. If you look the roof well, or that the thing don't finish. Look the roof well. You see how? Now where our future leaders they learn to be. This is Orere Primary School in Igara. Orere Primary School. If you look inside the classes now, they don't even have chairs. You go see, say, they lock all those places now. They still they use them. They still come closer, see keys. They lock all this place is on lock and key. They are still using this. Our stupid governments, they go get time. They import SUVs. They import exotic cars. They travel abroad for vacation. They no go get money to help their own children. Their own children where they see. I don't beg tire. Not be everything that they beg put. Any government when they say, they do this kind of video, make it come arrest me. May carry me go court. Or may send they are not the way they take see the assassin, may they can't do anything where they feed do. But God they see everybody. See the classrooms. Come, waka come. These are classrooms that children are learning under. Look at them, they are still under lock and key. They are still in use. And our government doesn't give me fit to come and fix them. I have spoken, I have written letters, I have done what I can do. Nothing is being done. If not be this superb project, 2013/2014, where they do, where this school can't get left, this 3 classroom block, therefore not get class again now. Therefore not get class again now. I don't beg tire. Now me go beg money up and down till they build chairs for schools. Schools where be saying a government property, they no go do anything. Every year, budget go come. They go budget money for education. You no go see anything. You will not see any meaningful project that has been executed. When they now give us the project to people, to our criminals around the local government, they will still turn it to their personal properties. Properties who are going to die and live. Then look at classroom blocks. This very block is still on use. Everybody should view all over the world and see what you are going through in the hand of our abductors. wey call themselves our leader. They have abducted us in a way. They have abducted us. They are killing us and dividing us. They are doing whatever they like to us, and nobody is coming to our aid. Nobody is asking questions. This is supposed to be classrooms. Oga Wabe, these are supposed to be classrooms. Look at them. Look at the schools our future leaders are graduating from. Look at the office of the principal, the headmistress of this school. This class is still in use. This class under this roof is still in use. Now look at the headmistress office. Now only she get big key. She managed get big key. Now only she. The class is still in use. They have, in a way, they say we no good for they say we no get even pig no fit survive for this place. You see, pig is not if he don't get up. Oh yeah, get up. This place is not good for you. That place not good for pigs. Even pig waka for here, he tire, he collapse. He collapse. Even me, and I don't the one collapse for here now because it's not good for living. But people are still walking
Let
here.
me take a look at the classes.
People are still this one. They don't abandon her. As at the last time I came here was not this bad. Pig no vex. Now our bad government. If our government even good say pig are not supposed to be trained in open places. As they talk about open grazing, they don't talk about open pigging. They train pig everywhere. You go find for one corner, pig go scatter them. Meanwhile, more leave down, not down. Now it be this. Now it be this. Our slave masters within Nigeria, black slavery against black, now they happen now for this present Africa. And God will punish all of our leaders. God will punish all of them one by one. Even within Akukwedo, we don't get person where they fight for us. Does it happen anywhere? Does it happen anywhere? They will say now everywhere the situation there. I understand the situation is everywhere, but it is not this bad. Go to every villages in Akukwedo, you see something as bad as this. Go to every nook and cranny of Akukwedo, my brother, you go to see things that are worse than this. You not get where better pass this one. That you have done one, they go, if they talk am, they will say, we have done Ufa Primary School, and at times. You have done Ufa Primary School, does it mean Orere should not exist again? Does it mean Orere should not exist again? Does it make any sense for a right-thinking human being? Where is our location going to for crying out loud? I am sick and tired. I have never been this tired of Nigeria. I never join people where, and I am not part of the people that encourage people to talk ill about Nigeria. But I don't feel defend Nigeria again and our leaders. I don't defend tire. I don't tire. Shame they catch me. I cannot be defending stupidity. Look at the road I just made a video of. How can you be doing road drainage without roads? Does it make any sense? Does it make any sense? How can you be making a road and you are laying asphalt on ordinary rat slat under heavy downpour? Does it make any sense? Are you going to compact the rat slat? We are not even talking about the stone base that is not there. That one self now another story. Stone base is not there. You put rat slat. The next thing is to put stone base. Then you put your normal quota to make the stone base compact before the rat slat. Before the asphalt rather, then you just carry rat slat for on top of poto. May you see how some stupid people dey. Then everybody will just mum. So far I don't feel enter in pocket. Nobody want talk again. But God dey see all of us. If the last thing na to dey make money through this rubbish, I would rather remain poor till I die. I will not koto in their stupid poho. Give me the video. Me, I no go koto for their poho. Now, good night. My name na Paul Alaba Lawani. God go help all of us for this country. Last, our leaders go get sense.